Welcome to 4414 Harrison Street Northwest, set among the picturesque tree-lined street neighborhood of American University Park. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, federal-style semi-detached home offers numerous living areas, tons of natural light, an enormous backyard with private parking. Despite its idyllic suburban-esque setting, it's just 3.5 blocks from the shops, restaurants, and metro at Friendship Heights, and just under a mile from the shops, restaurants, and metro at Tenleytown. When you see everything that this home has to offer, I think you'll be moved. For more information or to schedule an in-person tour, visit 4414harrison.com.